Toyota monitor. How to play this one? It's from Toyota. How to use this? This is Toyota monitor. How to play the monitor? Hello. Remember, I'm trying the Toyota Corolla monitor or LCD. Let's go check the Tesla. See? Look at it. Did you see the schedule? Whoa, you see that already? That screen? And look at it. What music you want? Oh, see? It's ready. You want to play the music of 80s? Look at it. What's the difference of monitor of Toyota and Tesla? It's faster compare. See? Look at it. That's Tesla. You can compare. Hey, thank you for watching. Like or comment. Follow me on my Goryo123. Explore everything on Tesla. Thank you. Bye.